Welcome! In front of me I have a XIAOMI Smart Band 8 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this smart band. First we need to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And once you open the watch face menu, you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping up and down on the screen, find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also customize some of the watch faces, so if you open the watch face menu, you can tap on the settings icon under the watch face, and here you can change the color of the accent, I believe, and that's about it. Or maybe we can also change the widget. Let me actually check. Come on, like this. No, only the color accent. And once you're done, you can tap on the watch face or swipe right on the watch face to apply the settings. Okay. You can also change the watch face through the settings on your smart band. So you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu, then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. And in settings you have an option called band displays, and here once you tap on the band displays, it will open the watch face menu. You can find the watch face and tap on it to select it and apply it. And if you have or rather if your band is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application XIAOMI Fit or rather Mi Fitness application to change the watch face on your smart band. I'm gonna bring my phone right here, like this, and then I'm gonna zoom out the screen, or rather the camera, so you can see the whole screen of the phone. And now we can open the Mi Fitness application on our phone, of course the phone that is paired with our smart band. Then we can tap on device, and you should see your XIAOMI Smart Band 8 right here on the device page. Now select manage band displays option, tap on local, and here we have the list of watch faces installed on our smart band. And you can tap on one and then tap on apply to apply it on your watch or on your smart band rather. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you change the watch face on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.